Hello everyone, good morning. I am Shubh from class 8th and today I am going to do my science activity for the month of November. So my activity was to make a pendulum and show us how to make it and to calculate the frequency and the time period of it. So for that the material which we require are a sellotape, then a thread, a ball for as a mean for the bob in the pendulum, and then a supporter, or we can take any rod also in the place of scale. So now I will tell you how to make it. So I have made it with the help of this scale. So I have just tied a thread in the space like this. I have tied a thread, and using that thread I have just hanged a ball using a cello tape in it like this, and my uh, pendulum is ready. So now test it, and now let's test it and check how it work, and then calculate the frequency and the time period. Now I will show you how to calculate the frequency and the time period by using a pendulum. So I have hanged the pendulum with the supporter of a cupboard and a scale or a rod. We can say it and many things. So I will calculate the time for 20 seconds only. So I think you will able to see how I am, that I am just calculating the time period for 20 seconds. So you can see that I have just made 20-second time period. So just I have started and miss 19 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have calculated that uh, in 20 seconds only 12 oscillations have been done. So now I will tell you how I have guessed that 12 oscillation has been done. So this is the middle portion, or where the ball stare at a stationary like a stationary object. If we move it till a extreme portion, or we can say that this is a portion A, now this B, now that side will be C. So if we move the ball A position to B position, and we will, if we just uh, remove our hand and made it free, so it will come to this position at the another extreme position means C. So we can say, and if we if the ball C from the C position goes to A position, it comes that one oscillation has been done. So like this, A to B, B to C, then C to A. This is one oscillation. So now I will tell you how to calculate the time period and the frequency of any object. So now I am going to show you how a pendulum works and the uh, how to calculate the frequency and the time period. So let's take, this is a supporter, as we have taken a scale. Now a thread as for the medium between or as a bridge between the ball and the supporter, and then a bob in place of ball, as we have taken a ball in place of bob. So if this is position A and this goes to B, means till now no oscillation has been done. If A moves to the position B, then B to C. If B moves to C, and if again from the position C the bob or the pendulum moves to position A, one oscillation become. So if it means that A, B, C, A. If this part of things has been done, then one oscillation becomes. That one oscillation has been done for the pendulum like this. like as A moves to B, then B to C, then C to A, like this. So now I will tell you how to calculate frequency and its formula. So for that I have written and calculated the things like this. So frequency is equals to oscillation upon time, and the answer will be always in hertz. Hertz is the unit of frequency, and the short form of hertz is capital H small z. So I have written x because we don't know what is the uh, frequency in hertz if we write the formula. So I have calculated this. Frequency means oscillation upon time, so 12 upon 20. So I have divided both with the table of 4. So the answer became 4 upon 5, 3 upon 5, and the frequency became that how in 1 second 0.6 hertz has been done. 0.6 hertz in 1 second. Frequency always tell about how many hertz or how many oscillation has been done in 1 second. And the time period is just inversely proportional to frequency, like this. The formula for time period is 1 upon frequency, just inversely proportional. So I have written the short form TP as time period. So our hertz, we always take the frequency in hertz. Now of time period, the answer is 1.666 second. So the time period tells that how many time does one oscillation takes, how many second does one oscillation take to complete one oscillation. So thank you and have a nice day, and I hope that you have understand my concept that which I have explained now.